Hello everyone, so how you can restore your deleted files from recycle bin. Okay, so how you can do that in Windows. First of all, let me open any folder. Okay, so this is my file. Okay, this is a wallpaper. Okay, you can see the wallpaper. Okay, so I'll just make this explore sorter. Okay, so this is my file. Okay, I'll just right click on it and delete it. Okay, and delete it. Now I have deleted the file, and I have recycle bin and open the recycle bin. When I open the recycle bin, you can see the file is appear here. Okay, so select the file. When you select the file, and you can see the option here, restore. When you right click on it, you can see restore option. Okay, so click on restore. When you click on restore, the deleted file will show here. Okay, uh, the previous location. Okay, so restore, and you can see the deleted file appear here, the previous location. Okay, so that's it for today. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.